Hello, today we will guide you through how to change DNS to Cloudflare in Windows 10 and 11. In this walkthrough, we'll update the DNS settings for your Wi-Fi connection so your computer uses Cloudflare's DNS instead of the default automatic setting. This is a simple change, and you can follow along whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. To begin, open the Settings app on your computer. If you're on a laptop, that's perfectly fine, and the process will look very similar to what you see here. Once Settings is open, look toward the upper right area where your current Wi-Fi connection appears. Select the Wi-Fi network shown there to open its connection details. From there, click on Wi-Fi to go into the wireless network settings. Next, choose the Wi-Fi connection you're currently connected to. This opens the detailed page for that active network where you can view and change specific network options. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled DNS Server Assignment. This is the area that controls which DNS servers your device uses when connecting to websites and online services. When you find it, click Edit. A new settings window will appear. In that window, you'll see the current option set to automatic. Click on that drop-down or selection box, then change it from automatic to manual. This tells Windows that you want to enter DNS values yourself instead of letting the network assign them automatically. Once manual is selected, turn on IPv4. This enables the fields where you can enter the DNS addresses. In the DNS fields, type the sample Cloudflare DNS values shown in your guide, then click Save to apply the change. After saving, Windows should begin using the new DNS setting for that Wi-Fi connection. In some cases, the change takes effect right away. If a website still seems slow to update, disconnecting and reconnecting to Wi-Fi can help refresh the connection. One important tip is to make sure you enter the DNS values carefully, because even a small typo can prevent the setting from working correctly. If you ever want to go back to the default behavior later, you can return to the same DNS server assignment section and switch it back to automatic. And that's it. You've successfully changed your DNS settings to Cloudflare in Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process easy and clear.